Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to start an empanada business. Empanadas are delicious and versatile food that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. They're also relatively easy to make, so they're a great business opportunity for anyone who loves to cook. In this video, I'll be covering everything you need to know to start your own empanada business, from choosing the right recipes to finding a location to marketing your products. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, I hope you'll find this video helpful. Step 1. Research and market analysis. Before you begin, conduct thorough research on the empanada market in your area. Analyze the competition, target audience, and popular flavors. Identify any gaps or unique selling points that can set your empanada business apart from the rest. Step 2. Define your business model. Next, determine your business model. Will you operate as a food truck, a brick-and-mortar store, or an online delivery service? Consider factors like cost, target market, and your own preferences when deciding on the best business model for your empanada venture. Step 3. Develop your empanada menu. Create a mouth-watering menu of empanada flavors that will appeal to your target audience. Offer a variety of options, including vegetarian, meat, and even sweet fillings. Experiment with unique flavors to make your empanadas stand out from the competition. Step 4. Plan your recipes and ingredients. Once you've finalized your menu, it's time to perfect your recipes and source high-quality ingredients. Experiment with different dough and filling combinations to create the best empanadas. Consider sourcing local, fresh ingredients to enhance the flavor and appeal of your product. Step 5. Set up your kitchen or food truck. If you're operating from a brick-and-mortar location, ensure your kitchen meets all health and safety regulations. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits required to run a food business in your area. If you're running a food truck, equip it with the necessary cooking and storage facilities. Step 6. Pricing and cost analysis. Determine your pricing structure by considering factors like ingredient costs, overhead expenses, and local market rates. Conduct a thorough cost analysis to ensure you're pricing your empanadas competitively while maintaining profitability. Step 7. Branding and marketing. Build a strong brand identity for your empanada business. Develop a unique logo, catchy tagline, and cohesive visual branding. Create a professional website and utilize social media platforms to showcase your products, engage with customers, and promote special offers. Step 8. Secure suppliers and equipment. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure a consistent and fresh supply of ingredients. Additionally, procure the necessary equipment and utensils for efficient empanada production, such as dough rollers, baking trays, and commercial-grade ovens. Step 9. Develop distribution channels. Determine how you will distribute your empanadas to customers. Will you offer delivery services, participate in local markets and events, or partner with local businesses for distribution? Explore multiple channels to reach a wider customer base and increase your sales. If you want to learn more about starting an empanada business, be sure to check out our blog post link in the description below. Also search on Google, Empanada Business Guide businesses.com. Thanks again for watching.